No, the Zubia, no, he's light skinned. I believe he's from our nature because one Bosa is his cousin, Boneka Bosa. Yeah, she's beautiful, tall.
Yeah.
You know, all of us went to teaching hospital, school of nursing, that Azikiwe. Yeah, but Azubike, it was his second course. He did engineering in Unical.
Okay.
Yeah. You go Newi. They're big at school.
I'm not the building necessary.
For real?
Yeah.
I know. Do you know Modus? Modus. He's a Modebe. Ifeanyi Modebe. He's a medical doctor on our Texas.
Ifeanyi Modebe. Guess who, Roger?
Unisic. He's not that tall.
Oyoncha.
Yeah. Modebe family now. They're big in on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know a lot of people from Onitsha. I used to have a shop in makeup, you know. But from Okeitisha, I grew up in Onitsha. I went to 33 St. Christopher's. How you doing? Buy me bread, I'm hungry. When I'm accident, I never, you don't know, I never my YouTube channel. I promote our business. See, I'm my kitchen. I'm not a tax officer. That's my YouTube channel. That's my YouTube. I advertise our business and I do health education.
Okay.
Are you a doctor? In into business. But in without now. Opening without what you can lose security. If you're negative ball now. If you're negative ball, you work in the hospital. Just no, not CNA. You be a security in the hospital. Not standing everywhere. Okay. Uncle. While they bring me my bread before I steal your cow. Before Mbuna to go Bosi. P&J said I don't have identity. P&J said the next governor of California, the next president of Nigeria don't have identity. So I'm teaching him identity verification. I'm teaching P&J identity. Hey, uncle. Washele. Now my stone brother, Abi. I get person like you that suffer. How you doing? I think were you in the field last time? That's a money daughter, right?
That's my daughter.
You were with her money, right? Yeah. Okay, I remember. How you doing? I don't forget me. I gave you the suffer. I don't say my brother died in the lab.
No, nobody told me.
I lost my brother.
I don't know.
How you doing?
I do for my brother.
You know, say I get YouTube channel. They do movie now.
You and you followed Jonathan.
Who Jonathan?
What they do?
Nigeria Rat.
Nigeria Rat.
That one that movie. That one that skit. Now my brother sponsor P Square and the Plantation Boys. Now teach your record. I beg buy me.